Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your personal finance with Mint step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Mint app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your financial overview. Tap on the Add Accounts button to link your bank accounts and credit cards. Follow the prompts to securely enter your banking information. Mint will automatically sync your financial data and categorize your transactions. Review the categories to ensure they accurately reflect your spending habits. Next, set your financial goals by tapping on Goals in the menu. Select a goal type, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. Input your target amount and the desired timeline for each goal. Mint will provide recommendations on how much to save monthly. Monitor your progress towards your goals using the dashboard. Check the budget section to create personalized budgets for each spending category. Assign limits to categories where you want to control your spending. Regularly review your transactions in the Transactions section to stay informed. Use the Insights feature to gain a better understanding of your financial trends. Set up notifications to alert you of bill due dates and budget limits. Explore the Reports section for detailed visuals of your spending. Regularly revisit and adjust your budgets and goals as necessary. Utilize the community resources and articles within the app for additional financial advice. With these steps, you'll have successfully set up Mint to enhance your personal finance management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.